disgusting. Aaron, yours doesn't look disgusting at all.
It's alright.
Huh?
It's alright for his.
Oh yeah, we stopped it.
Hey, Mom. Come here.
We stopped it.
Okay.
Huh?
I'm not doing a taste challenge now. Y'all don't give
We'll
me
all
involved.
taste it. We'll all taste it.
Not me.
Mama, we'll
Not
all
me.
taste
I'm
it.
not tasting
I'm covering up the
We'll
final
just-
result.
I'm not gonna taste it.
I'm not gonna taste
We'll all
it.
taste
Now
it.
nobody would.
No.
Okay, Ria's gonna be the taster.
We'll all taste it. I'm not just tasting it.
I'm gonna taste
I've got an idea.
How about we all get like a bite and we'll all say 3, 2, 1 and put it in our mouth.
Good.
Yeah, it's supposed to be disgusting.
He just put salt on his. You know that, right?
Well, pretzels are supposed to be salty.
I know that.
Okay, here. So, I'm going to tell you what I put on here, guys.
You put ketchup.
There's some of these cracker things, the pretzel, goldfish, Cheez-Its. Inside there is lemon juice, lime juice, ketchup, hot sauce, Taco Bell hot sauce,
Dun, dun.
Taco Bell hot sauce, and a lot of salt, lemon pepper, and garlic herb powder.
This is my opinion. So I want
Oh,
cheese
and
it.
peanuts.
And goldfish, peanuts, a crackle, a pretzel, and salt.
What? So Amber, who looks more disgusting? Rate it.
It's yes.
Rate it.
Arian's right. It is yours.
Rate it.
I'm gonna
How
give.
disgusting.
A
it was.
plus.
Yeah, he's right.
What's a plus mean?
It means 100.
Okay. And then how
A
good
B
his
plus.
looks.
He put salt on his, which if he had like vinegar, it would make it like a salt and vinegar type.
Okay, so would you rate his?
B.
I'll probably rate his the same as yours.
Probably like a 8, 9,
Okay.
9.5.
I want to throw this away.
No, you can't throw it away with either.
This was the once time now to get it.
We're not doing our video.
Okay, guys.
You gotta taste it.
Wait. What's the next?
Everyone.
What's the second one?
Wait, I'm doing a second one. Okay, everyone, take a piece out of mine and figure out which one you want to eat. I'm gonna kind of go for this one.
I'll try this one or the one.
No, you don't taste it yet. Okay, Amber, grab a piece.
That's really spicy. Go get him some water.
You want a cookie?
I need a cookie.
Here.
Boo, I need boo.
Open it. Really, that spicy? I got a piece. I'm gonna go
Let's
both
see.
3, 2, 1.
I'm just gonna put my tongue on it.
Okay. 3. Yeah, that's all I was gonna do. Put my tongue on it.
You start open it?
Yeah, after we lick it. 3, 2, 1.
Ugh.
Wait, let me take that crackle then.
What did you taste? I only taste hot sauce.
I taste a little bit of both. I'm gonna put this down and go wash my hands.
Honestly, guys,
It's bloody!
I don't even taste anything.
Give me cookie. Give me cookie.
What's their problem?
Give me a cookie.
What?
Give me a cookie. I need something. Ah, it's bloody!
Shh, okay. Arian, stop over exaggerating. What is your guys' problem? Look. I kind of taste it now.
I told you.
Oh,
Arian, you want some water?
Ahem.
I need a cookie.
Yeah, I'll give him a cookie. Come here. Let's stop over exaggerating. I thought that
He ate the cookie. He went, ah. Hold that.
There's my dish. Barely touched it.
It's disgusting.
All it tastes is the hot sauce for the first
And the
time.
lemon.
I think you got a lemon in your piece.
Yeah.
Cause I couldn't. It
Well, he about dropped his cookie. He almost dropped it.
Look at that one.
Alright guys.
What? Nobody understood you.
Well, our second challenge. Check out our next video. Peace.